Naja, to for today's video, I have Dawn of Majesty. This box comes with 24 packs. Each pack has 9 cards and 1 foil card per pack. And this entire set includes 50 common cards, 26 super rare cards, 4 ultra rare cards, and 10 secret rare cards. I'm excited if I can pull a shooting majestic star dragon, even if it's not the starlight. So let's get going. Alright. Well, let's get started. First pack. The Spy, they are the branded. Glacier, Aqua Mador, DD, Different Dimension Derby, Jar of Generosity, Magic Key Dragon, Andra Baimi. That looks pretty cool. Carpiponica, Mystical Beast of the Forest, Ganke Shoe Ship, Ikura, Goki Finish Move, Dispatch Paparazzi, Converging Will Dragon, Monster Assortment, Dragon Lark, Perrin. It's pretty cool artwork. Knight and Administrator. It's pretty cool too. Shinobi Insect, Goki Finish Move, Ikura, and Clay Calva Key, the Magic Key Sky Blaster. And this pack has some pretty hard names. Alright, Dispatch Paparazzi, Wool Dragon, Monster Assortment, Dragon Lark, B Trooper Sting Lancer. That looks pretty cool. Baby Mud Dragon, Master Deployment, Sam Bell the Starbonder, Magic Key Duel, Flying Red Carp, Gaia Armor Dragon Shell, Chrono Mali Acrombaro figures, Magic Key Megator. Looks pretty cool. Alvain, the Asset of Vanti, and Mystical Beast of the Forest, Majestic Absorption, Class Drought Not, Dread, Flying Red Carp, Guy Armor, Dragon Shell, Chrono Mali, and this guy again, Volo Farnage, the Darkness Dragon Doom Rider. That looks pretty cool. Cosmic Slicer, Stardust Trail, Trimed Loading, Beast King Unleash, Dimmer Synthesis, Slower Swallow, Pazuzu, Displaying Tragedy, B Trooper Scale Bomber. It's pretty cool. Ray-10, the Heavenly General, and Alvane, B Trooper Fly and Sting, Duel, Dimmer, Slower, Pazuzu, Tragedy, Magical Beast, Majestic Absorption, Flying Sting, Doom Bearer, Psychopopos, General, Assortment, Mador, Generosity, 2 Toads with 1 Sting, Dino Wrestler, Absorption, Fly and Sting, Doombearer, General, Assortment, Mador, Generosity, 2 Toads, 1 Stinger, Dramaturgy of the Spy, Assortion, Chrono Melee Temple, Trilathon, Doombearer, Cliva Key, Slower, Tailwind of Gusto, Springen and Interloader, and Sioux Shipyard Seaside Supper Spot. Mon, the Shrouded Dragon, Amazing Attraction Viking Vortex, Brandon Bond, Gusto Van Der, Ganke Sioux Ship Daily Special, Slower, Tailwind of Gusto, Springens, Seaside Supper, Pendulum Treasure, Cosmic Slicer, Shinobi Insect, Trimid Loading, Margin Trading, Despite Theater of the Branded, Mador, Dimension Derby, Generosity, Arriving and Light, and Chronomali Temple, Master's Diploman, Stardust Trail, Temple. Halfway through. Well, we get Stardust or the Shooting Majestic. Flying Red Carpet, Theater, Dimmer, Derby, Amazement Assistant Dela, Doombearer, Cliva Key, Cosmic Slicer, Shinobi, come on, Flying Red Carpet, Theater, Dimmer, Derby, Magic Key World, Cliva Key, Alvain, Beast of the Forest, Absorption. What do you guys think of the box so far? Let me know now in the comments. Will's Dragon, Pazuzu, Tragedy, Tragedy, Magic Key Unlocking, B Trooper Arm Horn, Loading, Training, Beast of the Forest, Dreadnought, Will's Dragon, Pazuzu, Tragedy, Magic Key Unlock, Gusto, La Plama, Gusto. It's alright. Dreadnought, General, Alvain, Flying Sting. Alright. Ganken, Suship, Sari. Konoha no Sakuya. That's a long name. Dispatch Paparazzi, Seaside Support, and Dispaying Comedy. Beast King Unleashed, Gusto Vedere, Viking Vortex, Baby Mud Dragon, Sari, Konoha no Sakura, Paparazzi, Seaside Support, Displaying Coritus, cool art, definitely a cool card. Viking Vortex, Branded Bond, Vedere, Daily Special. Aeropex 3, Tragedy, Unlocking, Mador, Bottle Blaster, Stardust Trail, Diploman, Trading, and Special. Aeropex 3, Tragedy, Unlocking, Mador, Branded Opening, Temple, Trading, Diploman, Stardust Trail. 4 more packs. Will we get a Starlight and or Shooting Majestic? 2 Toad with 1 Sting. Sorry. Chronomales, Alien Stealth Buster, Anti-Human Intelligence, Mi Pesa. Looks pretty cool. Star Bonder, Brand Bond, Absorption, Temple. And now I think I'm gonna get Starlight or that Shooting Majestic. 1 Sting, Sorry, Chronomale, Stealth Buster, Trickstar Festival, Temple, Shinobi, Finishing Move, Ikora, Chronomale, Aeropax 3, this lady again, Springans, Majestic Mirage, Akura, Finishing Move, Mud Dragon, Diploman. Last pack. Well, I get something special. I doubt it, but just maybe I might get that. Nope. Albon, the Shrouded Dragon. Duel, Beast King Unleashed, Verdir, and Viking Vortex. Well, I didn't get the card I want, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And hope to see you guys next time on my next video. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. 是这样。